Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fly your hiturbo S20 drone. Now, I'm going to be showing you all the basic controls for this drone here. But yeah, let me show you how to get started. First off, if you charge both the batteries at once, you might be wondering how you're going to put the battery back in. So, you see these little divots in the battery? Those have to line up with these. So you just take that side. There you go. So this little button thing is on the bottom. Next, you're going to want to know how to unfold your drone. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. See? You're going to sit on the ground. But in this case, actually, I'm actually going to set it on top of this toy chest. And then next, you want to power it on. You actually want to power the drone on first before you actually start the controller. And you should hear the controller beep 3 times. It should go beep and then beep beep twice, and then you gotta press this button here to take it off. And that is how you basically just take it off, unfold, and everything. And now, you're probably wondering, how do you I'm gonna move this up a little bit. So, you're probably wondering, how do you make it go up and down? So to make it go down, oh, and I'm gonna have to reposition it here. So to make it go down, my brother's toys are all over the ground. He never brought them back in. Here, no, here. Let's move a little bit this way. Fine tuning. Okay, here. So, if you want to do a 3D flip, you gotta press the top right button. This one here. Whoa! This one's really feeling crappy. But yeah, that's how you do 3D flips. Alright, but yeah, we're just doing basic controls like I said today. So to make it go up, you gotta press the right joystick off. And to make it go down, press it down. And that's kind of basic. Alright, right? And to make it go right, you gotta go move the controller to the right, or the right joystick. Right joystick, right? Right joystick. If you want to go right, you move the right joystick to the right, like that. Make it go left, you move the right joystick to the left. Make it go forward, right joystick goes up, and then to go backward, right joystick goes backward or down. Then the turn. Left joystick goes to the left if you want to turn left, and then right. Then left joystick turns to the right if you want to go right. Okay, now opposite. Here, no, I'm gonna land this here. I might have to recalibrate. Are you blinking? Nope, it's not blinking. Okay. So then, here, I'm gonna have to clean this up here. Alright, ready? So, we're just gonna let it hover. So, if you want to, now that's facing toward us. I don't have the camera here. But yeah, if you want to go forward, you gotta press the joystick forward, not backward. And to go backward, you just press it backward. See? Then to go up, obviously you just press it up. Go down, press it down. And to move side to side. And to move side to side here. So I'm gonna move it forward a little bit. Move it side to side. If you want to go left, press the joystick to the right. Or no. So yeah, if you want to go I crashed into the house because the dumb thing always gets confusing. Hold on. I'm gonna have to recalibrate. So, wait, by the way, guys, if you crash, to recalibrate, turn the drone on first. I'm gonna move it this way a little bit. And then the controller. Drone on first, then the controller. Just turn it on. As you see there, it crashed because the wind was blowing it toward this thing here. So yeah, make you go forward, you press this joystick forward. Wait, I already showed you that. So yeah, if you want to make it to go right, press the joystick to the left. If you go left, press the joystick to the right. Okay, because and then the turn. Obviously, if you want to turn to the right, you gotta press the joystick to the left. Come on, controller. And then yeah. And if you want to turn it to the left, you gotta press the joystick to the right, obviously. Here, I caught my drone just in time before it hit the building here. But yeah, then the hand catch it, you're just gonna let it hover, right? As you see, mine does not have obstacle avoidance. And then you're just gonna flip it. Then, can't catch it. I'm gonna have to restart this thing here. And then, yeah, then the hand launch it. You're just gonna hold the drone by its bottom, on the bottom, so you don't get your fingers injured by the propellers. Now, hold on here. I'm gonna make sure all the things are intact. But you're ready? Here, he's gonna hold the drone up, kind of like this. Hold on, my thing here is acting really weird. Alright, then you're gonna hold it like this, and just let the drone go. And yeah, let me show you a little demo of me using all the controls. Okay, as you see here, we're gonna fly it over downtown actually a little bit, or fly it toward downtown. We're gonna fly it over this little area over here. As you see, it's real easy to fly and set up. And let's actually fly over here a little bit, but not into the tree, because that would be bad. Here, fly back a little bit. Jeez. Stupid ground. But yeah. Hey guys, look at all these tree guts. Alright guys, we should be okay. But yeah, that is how you fly your drone. And by the way, guys, if it's kind of windy and you're blowing it and you're trying to fly it in the direction the wind is blowing from, I would recommend just changing the speed. Alright, I'll put the speed at full speed, so it doesn't go too fast, but it goes fast enough that it has enough power that it can actually just go. Like, and the hover, you just don't even touch the controllers at all. But yeah, guys. But yeah, guys, I stopped it from the top there. It's kind of dangerous. And yeah, power everything off. Just gonna turn everything off. Take the battery out so the battery is not drained. And then, yeah, when the battery dies, you can take the new battery, just put it in there. Alright, guys, and to hold the drone up, you're gonna take these two arms here. This arm, 1, 2, these two arms first, and then this one here, 3, 4 here. Now, this is what it would look like when you are done, when it's all folded up. And you should probably fold these propellers in. There's a little crack in this propeller, but it does not impact the flying. There's it's a little bit scuffed up. But yeah, this definitely does not impact the flying. But yeah, and to keep everything organized, you gotta fold these two propellers inside here, right? And then these two propellers are gonna go like that. And if you're mounting a phone, obviously, I'll definitely make a video on how to connect the phone to your controller or to the drone so you can see what the camera sees. Yep. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody. Oh, I dropped my thing here.